2024 Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Grom. In the vibrant world of sport motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Grom stands out as a unique and playful option, offering an exciting entry point for novice riders into the realm of sport bike enthusiasm. Recognized as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners, the Grom seamlessly combines a compact design, approachable performance, and rider-friendly features, exemplifying Honda's commitment to crafting machines that strike an optimal balance between cost-effectiveness, approachability, and the sheer joy of spirited riding. In 2024, the Grom continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible fun, confidence building, and the excitement of mastering the art of sport bike riding. 1. Compact and playful design. The Honda Grom boasts a compact and playful design that immediately sets it apart from traditional sport motorcycles. With its miniature proportions, low seat height, and an endearing silhouette, the Grom exudes a sense of approachability and fun on the road. Honda's commitment to creating a distinct and playful design ensures that the Grom not only delivers a visually charming riding experience but also stands as a testament to the joyous and lighthearted side of sport bike enthusiasm. 2. Zippy and efficient single-cylinder engine. At the heart of the Grom lies a zippy 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a perfect blend of accessible power and efficiency for beginner riders. Honda's engine design prioritizes easy maneuverability and responsive performance, making it an excellent choice for those looking to experience the thrill of sport bike riding without overwhelming power. The Grom's engine provides ample zip for urban commuting, agile city navigation, and the sheer delight of zipping through traffic. 3. Lightweight and nimble handling. Designed for lightweight and nimble handling, the Honda Grom features a compact chassis and responsive suspension that contribute to its agile and fun characteristics. The bike's diminutive size and playful geometry make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city streets, explore tight corners, and experience the thrill of sport bike handling. The Grom's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the joy of dynamic rides. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Grom features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. Despite its small size, the bike offers a surprisingly comfortable seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an upright riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the Grom not only a fun option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and lighthearted rides. 5. Integration of essential features. The 2024 Grom seamlessly integrates essential features to enhance the overall riding experience. A clear and user-friendly instrument cluster, LED lighting, and Honda's renowned reliability add contemporary functionality without compromising the bike's playful nature. Honda ensures that the Grom remains an accessible and technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of joyful riding with essential conveniences. The 2024 Honda Grom stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike enjoyment, securing its position as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners. Its compact and playful design, zippy single-cylinder engine, lightweight handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of essential features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of spirited motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with a smile, or embracing the sheer fun of sport bike riding, the Grom encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible and playful sport bike greatness. As a symbol of accessible joy, confidence building, and the delight of mastering the art of sport